What's up, boys and girls? Empire Steve back with you yet again. Today is Thursday. It is September the 2nd. So I wanted to go over real quickly, as quick as I possibly can, my trades for the day. Here's basically the NASDAQ, and we're going to go back actually to the 5 minutes so you can see a little bit better. And this is the NASDAQ, and as you can see, it went to all-time highs today, and that is so crazy. It's crazy, crazy, crazy. It went all-time highs and then flushed down so far. Like, look at this huge move. 680, 175, all the way to 615. That's a huge move to the downside, and as you can see, we found the bottom here and moved back up. And here is the ES. Not near as drastic. Did go to all-time highs, 45.44. Flushed down to 45.34, so only a $10 move, nothing crazy like you saw with the NASDAQ. But I did not trade ES today. Today I traded the NASDAQ, and we're going to talk about that real fast, as fast as I possibly can, without boring you too much. But what I'm not going to do is show you the quick in and out because I got hit by my stop loss got hit or what have you. Like I have a couple quick wins or losses, like one's right here. This one was a loss, was a small loss, $50 loss. Like, and then I have these random losers that so little tiny wins and losses I'm not going to really go over. I'll just go over my bigger wins, and that way we don't take up all the time. However, going forward, this is my TopStep account, by the way. However, going forward, I'm going to limit myself to 3 to 4 trades a day and between 15 to 20 contracts, especially on the NASDAQ. Today I bought and sold 24. That's a little bit too much. Fees can actually get you. Fees can really actually get you. So it's something I need to stop doing. I do overtrade. That is another thing I hate about myself, because you can, once you start winning, you just want to keep trading more. You feel like you're immortal, but you're not. And 9 times out of 10 you will give back your profits. So luckily today I did not do that. But it's something that I do need to preach to you all, because if I do it, then you're more than likely going to do it too, right? So unless you're mentally stronger than me, which I hope you are. So with that said, I'm going to go over these decent trades I made today. The first trade was right here. And this was a quick $390 win. Actually, it wasn't too quick. So I bought in this 942 range and sold in this 945 range. So it was a couple minutes. So anyway, this was 390. I purchased 3 at 665.25 and sold them at 671.75. So that wasn't bad. That was a almost $6-7 move to the upside on the NASDAQ, and I caught it. And I caught this one again. I bought 3 at 672.75 and sold those 3 at 678.25. It was a quick move. I can't really show you why I got into those. That would be, I do all of my trades based off of TradingView and what I'm seeing on TradingView, which I can show you that in a second when I'm done explaining these trades. And I got in again here. You can see we sold off, and I did not short NASDAQ today. I probably should have shorted up here because it did top, this is a double top. So double top here, or not even top here and the top here. So it hit its head twice. So I should have shorted it both of these times. It would have been super sick plays, because they flushed immediately, hit these area, this 680 area, and flushed down. There's my dog for you. Hi Daisy. She's looking at me like, hey sucker, take me for a walk. But I will in a second, Days. But anyway, so this was my third decent trade for the day, and I got in at 627.75 and sold at 632.75. So that was a $5 move. So 3 contracts, a $5 move up or down will net you $300 if you sell all of them at the same time. So that's actually not bad. It's much better than the S&P or the ES moves. The ES moves, you don't really yield as much money as you do with NASDAQ, because NASDAQ is so volatile, and it actually is so volatile. When it moves so fast. So there's that. So on the day, I am up. I don't know if I mentioned this. I traded on Monday. Tuesday I was a little bit busy, and Wednesday I wasn't able to trade until later in the day. On Monday, I ended up losing basically all of the money that I made last Thursday or Friday. Whenever I made that video, I lost all of that money, almost all of it. So, but here is the. But I'm gonna try and limit myself to losing no more than $250 a day, and like I said, not trading, not over trading. That's something I really need to stop doing. So here is the performance for the day. And my gross P&L was 1,125, but total P&L is actually 1,036.20 because of fees. I'm 75%. I'm 70% sorry profitable on the day, so that's pretty good. So there's all that good fun stuff. My losing trades were $160, so I had 3 losing trades, and then I had 7 winning trades, so that's pretty good. That's actually really good. My largest winning trade was 390. Average winning trade was 183.57. So my average trade time for my wins is 26 seconds. That's not good. TopStep, I mean, it's okay. It's good. It's doable. TopStep wants you to be 20 seconds or more with your winning trades. They want you to be in your trades basically longer, not looking for like a quick scalp but you know, to be honest, quick scalps they're kind of my specialty. That's what I've always been good at. I want to be in and out quick. So I mean, 20 seconds is obviously quick, right? So that's like this trade I was in a few minutes. This trade was probably super quick. But neither here nor there. I don't think that they will kick you out of the program or you'll fail the combine if your trades are below 20 seconds, because wins are wins, right? But I think it's something that they want you to look. They want you to be above, 20 seconds or above. So in that case, I was there today. So neither, that's a win in my book. But let me show you real fast. That's pretty good day as far as TopStep goes. So it totally negates my my losing day on Monday that I had. But here is this is what I see. I don't know if I've ever explained this to you all. Let me move shown you all my trading view chart. But this is my trading view chart, and this is the NASDAQ. And I'm going to go to the 1 minute because I do a lot of my charting from the 1 minute time frame, but my entries and exits are with the 3 or 5 minutes. So this morning I saw this to be a decent, this is pre-market, this is 8:30, and we kept moving up, and this was holding as a resistance. In pre-market we finally broke above that, and so this would be once you break prior resistance, that resistance could and should be a new support. So in that case, we were kind of close as far as that support goes, but I saw this to be a decent demand zone. And as far as the first little bit of the day, the first 30 minutes of the day, it was a decent demand zone. This was the supply zone right here. As you can see, here's the first top that we got into today. Not got into, but this was the first hit your head area of the day. And this would be the second. So this was our double top, and then we flushed down after that. So we couldn't get quite past this this supply zone as far as going long until here. So I think my first trade here's 932. Ooh, man, I actually got really lucky here. So let's go to the 3 minute now. So these wicks were very intriguing, so that's probably why I got in this area. So regardless, they were wins, right? 300, 390 the first one, and 300 or 330 the second one. So that's good. So the second win of the day came around in this area. Actually, let's go back and look at it. So I got in here, and this is 1024. There's 1024. So 1024 would be over here. So this is exactly the candle. I saw that we closed here. I don't know exactly when I got in, but I got in this area and sold in this area. Basically did exactly that. So I don't know if I've shown you all what I do. I think I've explained it before, but basically, so what I do, and I can't show you here, but what I do is I have a bracket orders for my take profit and stop loss, and so I have a 10 take profit, 5 stop loss, 5 take profit, 2 stop loss. I use this one on the ES, and I use this on the ES. I can't use either of these on the NASDAQ, and because it's so volatile, like it moves so quick and so fast. As soon as you get in, bam, you can either be stopped out or your take profit is immediately. So all I do on the ES is use my 5 stop loss, and I try to get in at a good area. If I see a lot of buying coming in, which is what you don't see a lot of buying here, you know, I'm talking like 20 to 30, and then I see that move up. Like, you don't see buyers in this area. Like, there's not very many big buyers. So I would never go long right here because there's not a lot of buying going on. There's not necessarily a lot of selling either, but there's really not a lot of buying. So I wouldn't be comfortable going long or going short right here. I want to see a lot of buyers, and if I start seeing them come in, I immediately get in. I buy at market, and I don't have to click anything else. It just immediately gets in. And as soon as it gets in, 5 ticks below is where my stop loss is. Then I'm instantly grabbing my stop loss, and I think it's over here. And I immediately grab it. I click on it and I drag it. Either low, a few ticks lower. So I actually should probably make like a 7 or 8 stop loss, because normally I end up taking it lower. And then as soon as I'm like, say if I bought here at 625.25, I would, as soon as the price of the NASDAQ gets above, like up in this area, I will bring my stop loss to break even. Okay. I will bring it to break even, and as it's moving up higher, I will keep moving it up and giving it a little bit of room. Just keep moving the price, the stop loss up, and then it's so volatile that it always hits. It moves big. It has like 5 tick moves just like that. It's crazy. So that's what I do. I hope that helps. It's a little bit. I'm sure it's probably a little bit confusing. You don't want to see it in action, but I can't really show it to you. I want to show it to you in action, but I'm a little bit. I just don't want to go give any profit back for no reason. So yeah. So I'm not going to do that. Maybe one day I'll do a live trade, or shoot, maybe I'll even do live trading on YouTube or something. This actually looks a little bit intriguing though. Let's see if any buyers come in. Maybe I can show you real fast. I want to see buyers come in first. I don't see very many onesies, twosies, threesies, foursies. That's not very appealing. Plus it's 11:09 on. Yeah, I'm not going to do it. So anyway, so I hope that helps in some form or fashion, or hope helps at all. A little bit confusing, but that's what I do. So anyway, if you all have any questions or comments, something you want me to go over in another video, don't forget to leave a little note down below for me, and maybe I can do that for you next time. So I hope you all have a good rest of your day. And note, tomorrow is Friday, the last day, trading day of the week, and Monday, if you're trading stocks, I think stock market is closed for Independence Day. Futures though will be going, I think, until noon on Monday. I think until noon. Don't quote me on that. I'm not going to trade on Monday. I'm gonna still be at Disney, so I won't even have access to trading. So yeah, there you go. So anyway, like I said, I hope you all have a good, and that would have been a good dip buy back there. I hope you all have a good rest of your day, and I hope you have a good weekend if I don't see you tomorrow. But I will try to make a video tomorrow if I trade. So anyway, take care and have a good one.